My beautiful friends, how are you doing? Here is another airdrop, Klink airdrop or klinkfinance. They've got a TG bot and an app. I'm going to show you how to farm this on both platforms. Okay, so on the TG bot, once you use the link in the description of this video, or you can check my Telegram channel, you're going to see the link to the TG bot and also the link to the mobile app. Okay, so once you're here, just click on launch app. That's gonna bring you to this page. Okay, so what you're supposed to do from here is to register an account if you do not have an account, and okay, you can learn more about it, okay, by watching this YouTube video. And notice there are points for you to earn for doing these things, and there are other things to do here. You can see all of them. Just complete all of this, okay, and earn points, and all of these are under the tax section. Okay, so this is just under join community. You can check social tax. Okay, there are a lot of them, okay, to earn more points. And you can also check partner tax, okay, to do them. Okay, so after that you can go to the ref section. That is gonna show you your referral link. So if your referrals don't complete tax, they are not gonna count as your referrals. Okay, so to invite your friends, just click on this and share your links on social media. After completing all of the things I just showed you, I earned about 251,000 points. To show you that, if we go to the stats section, that is going to show you what I earned just doing those tasks I just showed you. Okay, so but there is something very important you need to do. You need to connect your Klink account. Okay, so how do we do the connection? Simply click on connect Klink. Okay, you can access this from the stats section, or if you go to the tab section, okay, you can see this right here. You can click any of them. That is going to show you this. Okay, so but here is where you can easily also access it. You can go to the tax section. Okay, so I'm just showing you where to see this. You can see here, register Klink account. So if we click on that right there, okay, we can see a sign up button up here. These are the processes. All you need to do is to simply click on download Klink or Klink wallet. Okay, that is going to take you to the Google Play Store. Okay, download the app, sign up for an account, and log into the app. Once you're logged into the app, it's going to look like this. Okay, this is a wallet, okay, where you are going to receive your airdrop. Now you need to complete all of this here, okay, get your first airdrop points, okay, but we're going to come back to this. Let's go back to the TG bot. I want to show you something. So back here, to successfully connect your account, just switch to this, okay, connect account. So now the email you used when signing up, okay, key in that email here. Mine is brixel@gmail.com. I'm going to click on login. So you can see my account is now connected. Click on done, and you would earn 500,000 points for that. Okay, so click on claim to have it claimed. Okay, so let's see. I just claimed that. If I now go to the airdrop section, okay, that is going to show that I have now 776,000. Okay, without even having invited anybody yet. Okay, so I can click on start mining now. So you can see I'm going about doing all of this. I'm showing you process by process so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so back here on their wallet app, okay, you can complete this. Clicking on that is gonna show you all of these things here. Okay, just complete all of them to earn these points. Okay, so this is how to go about farming points for this project. If you've got any questions, let's hear in the comment section. Let's go.